A major winter storm will impact a large swath of the U.S., bringing heavy snow, ice, and severe thunderstorms from the plains to the East Coast. Millions will face treacherous conditions and widespread disruptions. The storm, starting Saturday in the plains, will spread east, with the potential for over a foot of snow in some areas and significant icing. Power outages are a major concern, particularly given the sub-zero temperatures expected to follow. Southern states face severe thunderstorms and flooding. The storm's impact will end by late Monday, but frigid Arctic temperatures will then sweep across the eastern U.S.